Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Osman. Today I am going to share with you about my all day. What do I do in my all day? This is the day 2 of my 90-day video challenge. Then let's begin without any further delay. First of all, I get up around 6 or 7 a.m. Then I take my brush and toothpaste. I go to the washroom. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I take a shower. But I don't take a shower every morning. If I feel like it, then I take a shower. After taking a shower, I change my wet clothes. I wear my another dry clothes. After that, I come back from the washroom and I sit down to my work. My work starts from 8 a.m. After doing some work, I have my breakfast. After having my breakfast, I sit down to my work again. Then I stay working. When I stay working, I listen a lot. If you want to learn speaking English, first of all, you have to listen a lot every day. Uh, Even though I can't speak English very fluently, however, I practice a lot. I uh, speak a lot every day out loud. I know without any practice, without any learn, I will never be able to be fluent speaker. I I think if I want to learn English, I have to listen a lot first of all. That's it, my all day. Thank you watching for the video. Allah Hafiz.